Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats. This one also has a power lift gate. Fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one also comes with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. We've got hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This GLA 250 has 14,707 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmannimports.com.